In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make error bars in both Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're dealing with data visualization and want to showcase variability in your datasets clearly. Let's dive into it, starting with Google Sheets. First, you'll want to have your Google Sheets ready to go. Open up a new Google Sheet or an existing one you're working on. If you don't have a sheet handy, don't worry, just create a blank one. Once your sheet is open, the next step is to highlight the cells of interest. In this example, let's select cells from A1 to C3. This will be our data set for which we want to add error bars. After you've highlighted the desired cells, move your attention to the top menu and click on the Insert option. When you click Insert, a drop-down will appear. Select Chart from this menu. This action will generate a chart based on your selected data range. The chart provides a visual summary and is where we'll soon incorporate those error bars to enhance data interpretation. Now, a chart will appear on your Google Sheet. Let's tweak it by customizing further. Click on the Customize tab located in the chart editor, which usually appears on the right-hand side of your screen. Under Customize, you'll see various options. Click on Series to access the features where you can modify different aspects of your chart data. Within the Series menu, you might see a general aggregation function. Click on Average to ensure your data is aggregated as necessary, although this particular step is not mandatory for adding error bars. Proceed by clicking on Error Bars in the same menu. Here, you'll have options to display error bars with a constant value and further configure them. Select Constant and enter a specific value. For example, let's input 4.9 for our error bar magnitude. Now your chart should show error bars reflecting the constant value across the dataset. You may want to experiment with different error visuals, perhaps using either a standard deviation or a percentage. However, this guide is focused on using constants to specify error ranges manually. For those also interested in Microsoft Excel, the process is somewhat similar. You start by highlighting your data, locating the chart tools, and then selecting Add Chart Element, where you can find error bars and add a constant amount. Enter your desired value to customize the way error bars appear around your data points. Adding error bars is relatively straightforward once you get the hang of it, whether in Google Sheets or Excel. It enhances the depth and quality of your data storytelling. With a bit of practice, you can use this feature to ensure your charts are both comprehensive and easily interpretable. So, give it a try and don't forget to save your progress frequently. Thank you for watching and happy charting.